the three biggest pains when selling your house, and how do you eliminate them altogether? Hi, I'm Frank Polsinello with the Polsinello Team at RE/MAX. For many families, moving is a very stressful event. There are seemingly endless details to be addressed, from packing to organizing to purging, just getting the house prepped for sale. Finding a new house before the old house sells is also just part of the beginning. There's also the emotional weight of saying goodbye to a home that you might have cherished. It's no wonder that moving is listed as one of the top 10 most stressful life events. Here are the top 3 pain points most families experience when selling their home, and the strategies that I apply for alleviating them or outright eliminating them. Packing and organizing. This is a job that can take dozens of hours. Often it's sweaty, exhausting, dirty work. Most people assume that they need to personally sort, organize, and pack their whole house, but that just isn't true. It's all about having the right team to take the burden off of your shoulders. I regularly bring in a professional organizing consultant to help my clients with their moves. When our team arrives, they quickly pack, label, and organize everything meticulously. That would take days for a home seller to accomplish on their own, and we can do it in hours. It's a huge stress reliever having this kind of help, and I know that my clients find this extremely valuable. I love having a resource like Shelley who can allow you to focus on the more important things. Some families prefer to be more hands-on, but can still use a helping hand. And we have an in-house concierge team that are always ready to jump in. Members of my team show up with boxes and help relocate furniture, tidy, pack. What's more, they'll even help with closing out your old utilities accounts, opening new accounts at your new home, setting up your mail forwarding. Providing an unparalleled white glove experience for my home sellers is something that I'm deeply passionate about. And that's why my concierge team exists. This brings me to the second most stressful part of selling a home, and that's preparing your house to hit the market. If you want to achieve the highest sales price possible, your house has to look its best. That often requires some work. We help hundreds of families with their homes every year. This means I have a great network of contractors and vendors. These are folks who've done an outstanding job for our clients time and time again. Once we determine the best ways to prep your house for sale at the highest price, my concierge team pulls all the contractors together and handles all of the logistics. They gather quotes, put together the timeline, and keep you updated every step of the way. This is another huge time saver and stress saver for busy home sellers. 3, not knowing if you'll have a new house to move into. Many home sellers are facing that catch-22 today. There's a lot of demand for homes today that go on the market, but once it's sold, they're racing to find a replacement home and facing stiff competition all the way. What we can do is negotiate a leaseback for you, 60 days to 6 months if you like. Once the deal closes on your home sale, you get to continue living in the home for several more months. This will give you the time to secure the perfect new home for you. If you'd like to enjoy a uniquely smooth and stress-free experience on your upcoming home sale, I invite you to reach out to me, Frank Polsinello, at polsinello.ca, or text me at 905-830-9111.